Today we're going to be changing out the rear view camera on our 2014 Ford Explorer. The tools you'll need for this job is a ratchet extension and a 10mm and an 11mm socket, flathead screwdriver, a pry tool, and a Torx T20. Let's get started. There are 4 screws you have to undo. One is right here, and here, here, and here. They're the 10mm. And then over here on the side, you have one right here, which is an 11, and then another one on the other side. This is the 11mm. That loosens up pretty easily. Here's the other side right here. So use your pry tool. Now that you have it out, your camera is right here. There's the power source. And then you have a T20 Torx that you have to take out. That holds in kind of a cap that holds your camera in. So it's very important to take that out or else you won't get your camera out. This has to come down and back. See how it's moving like that? So. And now you can push the camera out from the front. Here's your camera. Just push the clip back here and pull it out. Take your camera, put it in. Hear it click. Reassemble that. Go through the hole. Okay, now that your camera's in, have to reinsert this. This little piece goes underneath here. So it's a little bit of a bugger to get back in, but we'll do the best we can. There you go. Put that piece in first, and then press down like that, and it snaps right in. All right, we're gonna line it up, our clips. Line our clips up. And that is how you change out your rear view camera on your 2014 Ford Explorer. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.